Okay, what is your name? Introduce yourself and tell us why you auditioned for SB19.
Yes, Julia Mary Badisa. I am 5 years old because I am pretty. I love mommy and daddy because I best friend daddy. And mama's just best friend. And Mishu, I gonna drive it.
Okay,
When
what?
I gonna tell this and say it, we play Spotify and premium.
Okay, what else can you do?
Gonna play.
What can you do? What will you do for us?
We're gonna place it in Ireland to the Spotify and play some music videos and cool. Because you're gonna play in cell phone with Spotify. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Hindi pa tapos. What else can you do? Can you dance or sing?
Sure.
Okay. Do you know any SB19 songs that you can dance or sing with?
Visa.
Okay. Can you do Visa? Can you dance and sing Visa? Okay, you start. Whenever you're ready.
And go.
Go.
Oh.
Visa.
Visa. Sure.
Okay. What song?
I like Dinka.
Okay, can you do Dungka?
We're gonna go.
Go.
Tumabi ka dyan! Dun! Dun! Tumabi ka dyan! Tumabi ka. Dun! 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 Tumabi ka dun! Dun ka! Dun ka! Dun ka! Dun ka! Dun ka! Festival! Festival!
Okay, you're funny. Okay, let's practice some photo shoot. How do you do Pablo pose? Okay, how do you do a Stel pose? How do you do a Ken pose? Josh's pose. Justin's pose. How do you do Liam's pose? Okay. Why do you want to be a part of SB19?
Because I am pretty.
Okay.
I am a poopy.
Huh?
No.
Why do you want to be part of SB19?
Because I am happy.
Who is your bias?
Huh?
Who is your bias in SB19?
Pablo.
Why do you like Pablo?
Because I love Pablo.
Because
I am happy to Pablo.
Pablo makes you happy.
Yes.
Okay, smile at the camera.